Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today is our first weekly stamping collab for 2020, and the theme was chosen by Patty's Polish Corner. These are all the manicures we prepared. To start off, I applied 2 coats of this beautiful shy nail polish called Platinum. It's part of her autumn collection. I'll be using images from these 2 Beauty Big Bang stamping plates, 06 and 034. I used these 3 Born Pretty stamping polishes to create a colorful design, but then I realized it wasn't showing up enough on the nail, so I decided to concentrate more on using the teal color, which showed up the best. On 2 nails, I did the full image, covering the entire nail, and on the other 2, I'd stamped individual snowflakes, and I really liked the way they turned out. After cleaning up, I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. And once it dries, I can apply my Hansen matte top coat. And when the matte top coat is completely dry, here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye! Leave a comment below and let me know which one was your favorite, the glossy or the matte.